freestyle thermal imaging camera, Thermo FLEX F50. The F50 has a removable camera head and has a controller that can be operated by touchscreen. New function, Auto Point. With the new Auto Point function, you can set the auto scale's upper and lower limit values respectively by touching the specific area on the LCD. Experience and know-how were required to set the temperature scale in the past, but now you just use touch scale. Even beginners can easily set the optimal temperature scale intuitively. The on-site operation is now more efficient with our F50. New function, Sky Off. There was a problem that the temperature of the sky and clouds had an effect on the auto scale setting outdoors. The new Sky Off function solves this problem. For instance, setting the auto scale's values to the condition of ignore 5 degrees Celsius or less, the sky and clouds will be ignored and the temperature scale can be set more accurately. New function, Trend Graph. It is possible to create a trend graph with the controller automatically. Connect the F50 to a PC via USB 2 to record thermal movie data. Thermo FLEX F50's intuitive operation and innovative functions result in more efficient on-site operation and shorten the testing and evaluation time.